You know that feeling? Hiking deep into the wild or setting up camp under the open sky? But then your phone's dead, your headlamp's flickering, and your power station's out? Over here, staying charged isn't just a convenience. It's peace of mind. That's why we're covering 7 of the best portable solar panels for off-grid camping and hiking trips today. From lightweight backpack-friendly panels to powerful setups for base camp, we've got you covered. We'll walk you through what makes each one stand out so you can find the perfect fit for your next adventure. So, keep on watching! Coming up first is the Jackery SolarSaga 100-watt, which packs down neatly, making it simple to carry on a camping trip without taking up too much room. Setting it up is quick, unfolding easily under the sun, and starting to charge right away without any extra effort. Built-in USB ports allow phones or small devices to connect directly, which lets a phone charge while relaxing, at camp, or preparing a meal. Even on partly cloudy days, the power stays steady, which keeps essentials powered without interruptions. Its sturdy design holds up against dust and light impacts, which makes it dependable when camping on rougher terrain. This panel connects smoothly to a portable power station, filling it up throughout the day so lights, cooking gear, and other devices work at night without worry. Carrying it between spots feels manageable due to the lightweight, foldable design. Next up is the BigBlue 3 Solar 28-watt, which stays light enough to clip onto a backpack without adding noticeable weight, which makes it ideal for shorter hikes where packing light matters. Hanging it on a pack while walking lets the panel gather power during the trek without stopping to set up. Once a rest stop comes around, laying it flat across a rock or table continues charging without extra steps. Dual USB ports let 2 devices charge at the same time, letting a phone and GPS gain power together during a lunch break. The panel holds up fine when small splashes or light rain come through. Folding it back up takes only a moment, sliding easily back into a backpack pocket. This panel makes staying connected on shorter outdoor adventures feel simple without dragging extra weight. Moving on to the GoSun Solar Panel 30, which folds down small enough to slide into a backpack side pocket, staying out of the way until needed on the trail. Setting it up at a campsite or rest stop feels simple, laying it flat on the ground or hanging it from a branch to catch more sunlight. Phones, cameras, and headlamps charge smoothly through the day without interruptions, keeping important devices powered for multi-day trips. Its lightweight build keeps it from becoming a burden on long hikes, staying comfortable in the pack over miles of rough terrain. The panel handles light rain and dust without trouble, working well in changing weather. Folding it up for a quick move or packing up camp doesn't slow things down, sliding back into place with ease. For backpackers wanting to keep essentials powered without adding heavy gear, this solar panel provides dependable energy in a portable, easy-to-carry form. Upcoming is the Renogy 400-watt Monocrystalline, which turns into a manageable size for transport, fitting easily into a car trunk for a camping trip where extra power becomes a priority. Setting it up near a tent takes only minutes, unfolding the panels and aiming them toward the sun for maximum energy. Connecting the panel to a portable power station starts filling up devices like phones, lanterns, a mini fridge, and more, keeping everything running at camp without interruptions. The sturdy construction stands up well against dirt, dust, and light rain, keeping the system reliable through different weather conditions. Moving the panel to catch better sunlight feels simple due to the built-in handle, making adjustments easy without extra tools. Folding it back down packs it neatly for storage in the car or camper. This panel brings enough energy for group camping trips where multiple devices need to stay powered together. Now, here's the ZOUPW Solar Suitcase. This 100-watt portable solar panel is one of the versatile solar panels in this list. Choosing between the 100-watt and 200-watt model allows the setup to match different trip needs, keeping flexibility open for future adventures. The handle helps with moving the panel between sunny spots around camp without hassle. Rain or wind doesn't stop it from working due to the durable build, holding steady in shifting outdoor conditions. Charging phones, cameras, and lights happens smoothly, keeping essentials powered across multiple days without trouble. Folding it back down packs it up quickly when moving to a new campsite or storing it away at the end of a trip. This panel brings dependable energy for solo campers or small groups requiring reliable solar power without overcomplicating the setup. Now, we have the Biolite SolarPanel 10 Plus. This is a small one that keeps your smaller devices charged up nicely. Setting it up takes only seconds, letting it start charging a phone, GPS, or headlamp during rest stops or at camp. A built-in battery stores energy for later, providing power even when sunlight fades or clouds roll in. The small kickstand angles the panel toward the sun without complicated adjustments, holding steady during light wind. This panel doesn't weigh down a pack on long hikes, staying portable and easy to carry over miles. IPX6 rating makes sure that light drizzle doesn't affect performance, keeping the charging process smooth in different conditions. It also comes with a built-in sundial that helps you set it up accordingly for the best efficiency. For hikers wanting a suitable solar option focused on small essentials, the Biolite SolarPanel 10 Plus keeps things simple and dependable without extra bulk. Lastly, the Goal Zero Nomad 400 unfolds easily at a campsite. Packing it in the car keeps transport simple and storing compactly until arrival. This 400-watt portable solar panel can easily provide power for any bigger group or the whole family. Connecting it to a large power station supports charging phones, tablets, lanterns, and even a portable fridge, keeping everything running smoothly through the day. The panel holds up against dust, light rain, and wind without problems, as it's rated for IP65. Folding it back down for storage or transport takes little effort, fitting back into a vehicle easily. Moving it between sunny spots feels simple due to the built-in handles and adjusting position without hassle. For families or friends camping together needing shared power without worrying about low batteries, this solar panel brings enough energy to cover the group comfortably. So, that was our list of 7 best portable solar panel for off-grid camping trips. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section and share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.